2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, driver and front passenger heated seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, heated steering wheel, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.